but they hoes, man. I pull up, make them jump like I touched them with cold hands. Say wrestling rap style. Niggas act like they raw till I give them the smackdown. You was up, you feel back down. Like you got double 2K up on my how you back.
Yeah. What's goody, y'all? It's your boy Emperor Eli. We doing something different today. As you can see by the title, my package came in. Hold on, let me turn it this way so y'all niggas can't see my information and shit. You know, niggas be stalking niggas down. I be talking wild bullshit. Yeah, my shit came in. I'm hyped. I've been waiting this shit for a minute. Got my little stabby shit, you know, run up, get done on $1.50 to your mother, you feel me? Ooh, that could open nice. Oh, tweaking. Cut this, two. Like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to that 1K. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 1K too. What's up? Y'all want some sneakers? Nah. Yo. Big ass box. Because I wear like a size fucking 11. See this? Nice little kiss marks on it now. To be honest, I see first of all. Wait, can't even see that. I'm tweaking, but no bullshit though. I see first though. It's clear. Y'all niggas gotta wait. What the fuck? How the fuck this shit go? Oh, okay. I got it. Hold on. Ooh. To be honest, it's too crispy for y'all to see. I don't know. I'm about to just put this shit back in the box. There's mad paper, like I don't even think I've seen like a sneaker box with all this. I seen like the one. I don't know if y'all can see me put this shit a little more down for y'all, but ooh, that smell is like amazing. In this little pocket right here. Oh, fucking slid back. Oh, whew. First of all, I love the new smell of sneakers. Shit smells amazing. Second of all, these shits fire. Yes, spit just flew out my mouth, but these shits is crack. Bottom feels like we gonna open this little pot like that's fire. Like y'all see that? Like I could fit my mans in this bitch, like just have my son with me. Nah, this shit is crack. Oh, wavy, man. Woo. Got the nice little Cactus jack right here. See the back. Bottom is icy too. Oh. Ooh. Nah, this is fuego. Let's smell. You see the tongue. It says Jordan. I'm gonna start doing more sneaker reviews, y'all. I got y'all. Like I got fire. Like, hold on, let me show y'all. Feel me? Boy, he got heat. Alright, y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to do a nice little review on these. Okay, these aren't it. My bad, but these are these shits. I ain't even wear these yet. The laces and all that. My bad, wrong. Fucking sneaker. Hold on. My bad. If you could tell by the brown box, to be honest, oh yeah, I'll show y'all a little bit. You know if y'all want me to do, show y'all a little sneak peek. Woo. That's what y'all get to see right there, man. Okay, back to the other sneaker. This shit is fire. Like, I'm gonna send a picture to my boy, cause he gonna get tight, and I'm gonna show y'all what he say, cause they gonna get mad. But I don't give a fuck. I see. Alright, y'all. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna do a nice little giveaway at 1K. I'm lit. Sneak it back. The box is fire. Woo. That's just more fucking paper. They really papered this bitch up. Oh yeah, word. Let me take a picture, send it to this man so he get tight. Alright, y'all. I'ma holla at y'all.